96, the Georgia World Congress already dealing with record-setting COVID-19 admissions, pushing Georgia hospitals to their limits. Nearly 24 COVID patients are being treated inside the Georgia World Congress Center. Grady Hospital, which oversees that operation, says the location has been taking in patients from really all over the state.
CBS 46's Brittany Edney live near the facility with more. Brittany, good evening.
Sean, good evening. Rick, you as well. I have to tell you, more than 91% of the ICU beds in hospitals across the state, well, they're currently have patients in them, and other hospitals are reaching capacity. So that's why here at the Georgia World Congress Center, they've created a temporary setup to help accommodate some of that overflow. Grady Hospital is full. It's a scary statement to hear from any healthcare system as COVID-19 cases continue to rise and hospitals statewide reach capacity. The CEO of Grady Health System told us, quote, "For nearly 2 weeks, our daily count of COVID patients has exceeded our peak numbers from late last summer. If admissions continue to climb, I worry we will face what hospitals in other states grapple with: tough choices on providing care." Emory Healthcare echoed those fears, telling me they've now reached a record number of COVID-19 patients in critical and acute care, adding, quote, "The rapid and continued rise in cases remains very concerning. Given the impact of holiday gatherings, we do not anticipate any reduction in cases over the next few weeks, which will only make a very difficult situation more extreme." The Georgia World Congress Center is currently a temporary hospital and helping with overflow. Officials say right now 42 patients are receiving care and overall 62 patients have been admitted to date, and the transfers come from 14 different hospitals around the state. In his State of the State address, Governor Brian Kemp recognized all those lost to the virus this year.
There's no doubt that this virus has impacted all of us beyond what we could have ever imagined. Too many families are now missing loved ones. A heartbreaking, devastating loss that I know many Georgians are still grieving today.
And always a very difficult number to report, but to date, the state says so far 10,721 people have died here in Georgia from the coronavirus. Reporting live in Atlanta, I'm Brittany Edney, CBS 46 News.
Brittany, thank you.